Say a few things about the ongoing protests on abductions, and it is good for us as Kenyans to be responsible citizens. We have also seen cases of maybe people coming out to claim having been abducted, and it turns out not to be true. Some people may stage manage some things, including even leaders. And I think it is not fair, it is not right, and we got a responsibility to protect our country. And if it is true that some people have been abducted, it should be dealt with by the responsible institutions.